Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App Afterpay at Walmart. First, download and open the Afterpay app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Log into your account. Before you start shopping, check that you have a payment method linked, such as a debit or credit card. This is important because Afterpay will charge your installments to this card. Once you are inside the app, go to the shop section. Use the search bar and type in Walmart. When you see Walmart in the list of stores, tap on it. You will be redirected to the Walmart website, but it will open inside the Afterpay app browser. Now you can start shopping as usual. Add the items you want to your cart. Make sure your order meets the minimum amount required, which is usually between $20 and $35 depending on your account. When you are ready, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the payment screen, look for the Buy Now, Pay Later button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Afterpay will automatically generate a single-use virtual card. The card details will auto-fill in the credit card section at checkout. Review your payment schedule. You will see that your total is split into 4 equal payments. If everything looks correct, confirm your order and complete the purchase. Thanks for watching.